Hi everyone. Today I'm going to make a pair of earrings using these beads. A little simple pair anybody can make. And I'm going to show you how to do a twist because these wires are the thin that you can just bend. So let's get started. That's the spacer. And this is about a 6mm. Might be 5, but no, it's about a 6 because this is like a, I'm not sure. That's either a 4 or 5. So that's an 8. Oh well, I can't hold on to nothing today. I'm butterfingers. There. Get the other one strung up and we'll wire it up. Y'all hear my frogs. For little bitty frogs, they make a lot of noise. And we're not even near water. Well, we're probably about 2 miles as a bird flies from water. Maybe a little more. Oh no, there's a creek behind us. Didn't think about that. Maybe that's where they're coming from. You just twist it around. See how I can do it with my fingers? If you can bend it like that with your fingers, you need to twist it. And then when you get to the end, try to get as close to the bead as you can, but don't hit the bead. Because you still got to get in there with these. I'd like to find some with a real fine nose on them, but I haven't found any finer than these. Well, I thought I got it. There, I got it. And you'll take your pliers and try to get that wire as close in there as you can. And they usually don't want to cooperate whenever they're that close to the bead. I need to get me a new chair for this room. We had to get chairs for the downstairs, but because we didn't have anything to sit on down there. And luckily, they were on sale. I just looked at them again today, and they've went up like $40. And I'm like, well, I'm glad I got them when I did. Had to pull it away from it a little bit to get in there. Alright. Well, I think it's went down in the hole. Yeah, there we go. All right. See, I like to take them and put that side. See it? This side. That's front. You just take it, twist it open. Hold your bead, twist it open. Keep holding that bead. Find your front and put it on. That way they both look the same. I mean, there's going to be little variations, like one might be a little bit taller than the other, or because they're handmade, but there we go. Yeah, thanks for watching. And if you get a chance, check out my other channels where I do art and where we cut stones. And I really appreciate it. It's down in the description. And until next time, y'all take care out there. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.